Understanding the phrase, "Let's make amends." Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, "Let's make amends." This phrase is not only useful in everyday conversation but also a great example of how language can convey the nuances of human relationships. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how to use it effectively. "Let's make amends" is a phrase composed of three key components. 1. Let's. This is a contraction of let us, which is used to make a suggestion or proposal involving the speaker and the listener. 2. Make. In this context, make is a verb that means to create or bring about a certain situation. 3. Amends. This is a plural noun, which refers to actions taken to correct a mistake or a bad situation, often involving an apology or restitution. So, when put together, "Let's make amends" is a suggestion or proposal to take steps to correct a mistake or repair a relationship. This phrase is often used in situations where there has been a disagreement, misunderstanding, or hurt feelings between two parties. Here are a few examples of how it can be used in everyday conversations. 1. After an argument, we both said things we didn't mean. Let's make amends and move forward. 2. In a business setting, our company acknowledges the error in the last shipment. Let's make amends by offering a discount on your next order. 3. In personal relationships, I realize I hurt your feelings yesterday. Let's make amends. Can we talk about it? In each of these cases, the phrase is used to initiate reconciliation and show a willingness to improve the situation. The phrase, "Let's make amends," is not just about resolving a conflict. It carries a deeper emotional and cultural significance. It demonstrates responsibility, acknowledging one's own part in creating the issue, empathy, showing understanding and care for the feelings of others, willingness to improve, an active effort to make things better. Understanding this emotional depth can help English learners appreciate the phrase's power in mending relationships. "Let's make amends" is a powerful phrase that goes beyond mere words. It's about acknowledging mistakes, showing empathy, and taking steps to heal and improve relationships. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase effectively in your English conversations. Remember, language is not just about speaking. It's about connecting with others. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in our next lesson.